Okay, so we are currently staying in Fort Payne, Alabama, and we took about an hour trip up to Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Which is crazy because literally in 1 hour we were in Alabama, crossed over into Georgia, and now we're in Tennessee. Yeah. And it's just all stunning out here. Never been to this part of the country, and it's beautiful.
That it is. So today we're gonna do the incline railway, and and Lookout Mountain?
No, Rock City.
Rock City. So should be pretty sweet. So
and my dad is meeting us here. He's from Nashville, Tennessee, and so it's like a 3-hour drive for them.
Yep.
And they're meeting us here to explore.
Oh my gosh! You guys want to get out, or are you just gonna sit there all day?
Get out.
You want to get out?
Uh-huh.
Rudy, what about you?
Hold, let's get in the sun.
Rudy, what about you?
Hey, Lou.
All right, let's get out.
Thank you.
They're chewy. Just ask for another one.
Oh, I bet at night.
Oh yeah, it looks like
up.
they light all this up at night, huh? But doesn't it say it closes at?
I think there was a enchanted nighttime tour or something.
Oh, that's right. I saw that when we were getting tickets. Did you know that, Dad? They have an enchanted nighttime ticket.
I bet that's stupid.
So claustrophobic.
Wow.
You got it. Paul's got a fat head.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Balanced rocks.
You knew that was Paul the whole time? You're so smart.
Well, that would just come down. Yeah.
And the fact that we can just walk underneath.
Look. Here's the face, babe.
Oh, it's a pipe.
Here's the face. Smoking a pipe.
Oh, look at your car.
You know where we're going next? You see red? You see red? Little red Riding Hood? See if we can find her.
There is a lot in there that you like.
That's Red Riding Hood.
You see that roof? Look, Fairyland.
Ooh. Yeah, that's right. You want to go check it out? Bubby, you want to go check us out? Okay.
Rudy's going first.
Oh, are you going to be the warrior here?
Where's my camera?
They got the
They wouldn't take.
Where's my camera?
Oh, did you hear that?
You see this? Monster behind that door.
No.
Yeah, you be careful.
What is it?
Is it the monsters?
Where's my camera?
Stop! Look up. Stop and look up. Don't walk. He's right up there on the swing. You see him?
Yeah. And there's two on those.
Hey, buddy, hold on to that.
Got a hold of it? Alright, come on. Go.
I did not think they were going to come at me.
What did you get?
The silver-tip shark. Oh wow, look. It's made out of like scraps. Scraps and stuff. Guys, say paw. Where is he? Paw. So this is normally water all down this side, and so water flows down these steps into.
That's pretty cool.